When we're growing trees in the field, we give ourselves a lot of room between each tree. That affords us the ability to walk around the tree and trim it when we need to, and also makes the tree grow better. It gets more sunlight around the tree, and thus it's going to be a better developed tree with a more uniform conformation all the way around. Adequate sunlight is important for evergreens. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the common evergreens and the plant spacings that you should have for those evergreens. When we grow trees in the field, we like to have our rows about 8 feet apart, and sometimes upwards to 12 feet apart. The extra room in the 12-foot rows allows us to bring equipment in and to dig and get the trees in and out. But for you, the homeowner, the reason you want to give your trees space is because they develop better, and also if you ever need to replace one and you have them too close, you won't be able to do it. Sometimes, in fact always, all trees die. So you might have a mortality in a tree row that you've planted and not be able to correct it if the trees are planted too closely together. For larger, fast-growing trees, such as these green giant arborvitaes, we give them about 6 feet of spacing. The closest you will want to plant them is about 5 feet. These are emerald greens. These are usually planted in our fields 4 feet apart, but for you in a landscape, 3 foot is best. Blue spruces, we like to plant those 8 to 10 feet apart in the field because we like to let them grow big and full, and we like to be able to trim around them. The same thing goes for white pine trees. However, we can grow white pine trees as close as 6 feet, but we choose to put them 8 foot because you get a better product. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers.